Okay, so, you know, I look like a crackhead. A little. But, oh my god. Ew! Okay, it's better. So yeah, just, you know, work is done. 5:30, walking to the mall. Not a special mall, but, you know, gonna get some dinner. And, this one wants to bake what? Blonde brownies? Is that what you're talking? Blonde brownies?
Yes.
Yeah, blonde brownies. Never heard of them. Don't know what the hell they are, but that's what she's going to bake. And she's going to do it from scratch while under the influence of some things. So let's see how that turns out. That's going to be my snack for tomorrow.
I could promise you that drinking doesn't affect me like that.
The acid went in my nose. My nose.
Yeah, you need to stop drinking.
Ginger ale. Canada's best pop ever. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, I have to record myself. Like, you know, I have to get used to it. You have to get used to it. It's fucking cold out. I mean,
a waiver to this?
it's freaking cold outside. No, you're my friend. There's no waivers. It's a part of your contract already. Like, when you sign up to be my friend, this was a part of the contract. Okay? Okay, yeah.
Well, where's the contract?
God has it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like, I mean, how are you gonna question God? Like, he knew what he was doing when he made me meet you, so, hello. Right? What's wrong with these people?
He's like
acting like they scared of the camera and shit. Nah, I mean, girl.
He wanted to watch this train wreck, that's why.
No. Oh, I need my mittens. My hands are gonna fall off. I hate how I look on this shit. Like,
I don't like it because it makes my face look fat.
I look so much more fatter. Oh my god, I gotta invest in a new camera. Can you buy me a camera? Valentine's Day is on the weekend.
I've been wanting the camera since I was 12.
Valentine's Day is on the weekend.
I don't have no money.
Girl, you got savings. Ooh. Oh my god, what if I had somebody that wanted to like kill me? They could be like, oh, I know where that girl's at, yo. That big old ducky building in the back. So we're almost here. Oh my god, it only takes us like 10 minutes to get here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank God to the video. You know what time. Gonna get some wedges, girl, and some chicken wings. Hopefully I could change my phone plan, because Rogers ain't saying anything. I'm gonna inquire and see what I need, because I left my SIN at home like an idiot.
You need like 2 pieces of ID usually.
And I don't have those things with me. I have my health card.
I have my health card.
I have that and that alone. I have my debit.
I have my debit.
And I have my Visa debit.
I have my Visa debit. No, I only have a Visa debit. You have a debit card and a Visa debit?
Well, my Visa debit.
No, but I mean, like, why would you say it twice? You have a Visa debit.
Okay.
Why do you say
Okay. Okay. Wait, I don't even feel like I was holding it the same way that I was before, but whatever. Chronicles of Zoisha.
I go in this mall, like, it's so hot.
Because we walk all the way there in our winter jackets.
The amount of times that I'm like, oh my god, I'm so hot, I'm so hot.
Don't forget, I suffer from iron deficiency, okay? So my body...
I don't know what I suffer from.
My body... You suffer from alcoholism. She's an alcoholic.
You are.
What?
Yeah, you are.
I'm a what?
You're an alcoholic.
I'm a woman.
Yeah.
That's all.
You're a grown woman?
Mm-hmm. Don't speak of our age, okay? I don't say that stuff.
Why am I telling people my age?
I'm just saying, you know, you might be like, hey, we're in that group.
They think I'm 16.
Right. Oh, thank you. I love it. Ding, 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 ding. Finally made it to the mall. Thank God. my god. And my cheeks, like, so red. I'm so white. So I gotta come back tomorrow for my phone. Because I don't have all my IDs. Because I don't walk with those things. Because if I get robbed, somebody else will be Zoe. And we're not gonna have that, right? So now we're here getting this girl's ingredients.
Okay, so
To make what again?
leave me alone.
What are we making again? Or what are you making for me?
I'm not making anything for you. You don't have no faith
Anyway,
in me.
something white brownies.
I never said that.
What is it called? Okay, what's the chocolate chips you're getting?
Give me the white one.
Okay, got them. That was easy.
Um,
Oh my god, I hate my underbite. I'm so ugly.
I would like some. Why don't you need the chocolate one? Give me the milk chocolate.
This is milk. Oh,
Wait. I think it's milk.
okay.
Hershey's.
Oh, girl.
Is that the milk one?
Semi-sweet chocolate chip. No. Here.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Ooh, she needs some vanilla.
Do I have eggs? I don't have eggs at home.
You don't need cacao? Yeah. Oh god, cacao. Where is the Manila?
Where is the vanilla? Maybe it's up there. I feel like I'm skipping ingredients. No, I actually have eggs.
Oh, there it is, I think. Yes, yay!
Oh
Get
my
the
God,
no name.
They're so expensive, of course. I mean, because you don't even have faith in me. I might as well just have
No,
gotten
I'm just
no-name
saying, get no
chocolate
name.
chips too. Like, the
You're
fuck?
so
How much
dumb.
am I spending on this shit anyway?
She's so dumb. Lady thought I was so cute when I was like, oh, I'm so ugly. She looked around and she was like, you know, you're so cute.
They look so sad.
The no name?
Yeah.
No, girl.
Looks
Nobody
so
gets
sad.
no name chocolate chips, girl.
Maybe a president's choice.
Nobody gets no name
Ooh,
chocolate
there's
chips,
swirl
girl.
milk. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
But it doesn't really swirl.
No, but I mean, like, at least I have it in there. Like, it's so
But it
cool.
doesn't really
I
swirl.
could eat it and I could taste the
No,
chocolate
you don't.
and-
I'm telling you, I tried it one time.
You did?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And when I melted it, it was only white. Like, it didn't even have a little bit of swirl. Like, you know, it was just white. Like, what the hell? It's so
The
dumb.
chocolate is overpowering, though. But I mean, like, it's cheaper.
Okay, get it, girl. I mean,
President's
yeah, let's
choice
get
is
it.
good, though.
Come on. What else do we need?
I
Some
think I have eggs.
molasses.
No.
Molasses. Ooh, what's so fancy about molasses?
Fancy molasses? Really?
What's so fancy about it?
Rice?
Delicious in baked goods or on pancakes, waffles, or toast. Ew.
They lie. Because I bet you
Ew.
find the same thing on that shit. too.
Ew.
It's gross.
The hell wants molasses on toast?
It's gross. Margarine.
Okay.
I mean, I have butter at home, but I mean, like, you know, maybe I should get the good stuff.
Okay, my gosh, margarine, butter, same shit.
Maybe we should get the good stuff.
It's the same thing.
Maybe we should get the good stuff.
I don't know why people do that.
You
Like,
know- you
oh,
know
I
the,
can't believe it's not butter. It's butter.
No, no, I want
Butter.
the block. You know the block when you cut it and you slice it? I've never had it. I've only had it in Jamaica. You know when you just cut it? Good times. Okay, so I have butter. I have brown sugar. It's kind of hard, but
I need to get pancakes.
maybe I should get some brown sugar.
Actually, no, I'm not making any pancakes.
No, I have to get brown sugar. I don't have 2 cups of brown sugar.
Oh my god.
Do you have the chips?
Hopping all up on it too.
Where's the brown sugar in this album?
It said sugar.
Vanilla and eggs. I hope I have eggs. Gold medal all-purpose flour. The fuck?
Gold medal. Gold medal. All purpose. See brown sugar here.
Holy God. No name? This is brilliant yellow sugar.
That's like me.
Fancy molasses and
Oh my
brilliant.
god, this is like me.
Stupid.
Oh my god. Literally though, it's like brilliant yellow sugar, like my skin complexion. Hello, hey, brilliant. And I'm brilliantly yellow too. Oh God.
What's the price of food?
Yo, just take them both up to the cash register. That one's $3.99. That one's $2. And that's Lantic, so maybe that one's $2 too.
This would be 2.
Maybe.
Covered, but...
You could just rip it off.
Too much work. Got it. Got it.
Do they think 168 for sugar is cheap? Like, that's a sale?
Bully beef
What?
is like $5, and then they drop it down to like $3.99.
Bruh.
Okay, here's well.
Ain't nobody got time for that. That's why we shop at No Frills.
Flour, baking powder. I have.
You have, because you make dumplings.
Semi-sweet. Okay, so I guess I'm good. I hope I go home and feel to make this.
Which you probably won't. Tiffany, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, just, well, man, I'm outside throwing stuff.
You know what, Zoe? I'm a very depressed person. I don't know why you keep making
Why are you
fun of me.
depressed? You have people to talk to. You just don't talk to them, so that's your problem, not mine. What do you want me to do?
I have my chocolate.
Yo, it's Valentine's. Oh, Valentine's, lovers and lovers and lovers and lovers. So sweet. So. Is he slicing his bread? That's so cool. I've always wanted to do that.
Why don't you go do it?
Because I don't want bread.
You're out of luck.
Man. I should get a cupcake though. I deserve it. Should I buy you a
Did you
cupcake?
even eat the one I bought?
Should I buy you a cupcake? Okay, get a cupcake because you're depressed and I didn't get you anything for your birthday yet. Get yourself a cupcake. Which one do you want?
Ooh, I want.
That's how you keep your friends. You buy them stuff.
Did you eat the one I got you?
Marlon ate it.
Happy birthday, Marlon.
Marlon ate it before I could eat it.
Happy birthday, Marlon.
They have so much better variety than the other one.
Yeah, this one, like, it doesn't, I struggled because I couldn't even pick one for you. Because I'm like, look
It was here you came?
Yeah. Where's the
Oh.
other place?
Well, I go to Metro.
Yeah, no, Metro. I remember you said Metro because I was going to get the Black Forest cupcake.
Yes, girl. But
Yeah.
I'll get the Oreo one. I'll
It
get the
looks
cookies and
good.
cream.
It looks good.
And you can't go wrong with chocolate.
Maybe I'll get, that looks really sweet though. Vanilla lemon. Maybe I should try lemon.
Vanilla cupcake topped with caramel icing and toffee bits.
Because I already
Red
hate,
velvet.
I already
Cookies
hate
and
how sweet
cream.
this shit is.
Chocolate
Okay,
cupcake. Turtle cupcake. Why don't you try the turtle one?
Oh, I have cake at home too. Silly.
If you have cake and you didn't bring me a piece?
I'm meant to.
Wow.
I've just been really depressed and stuff.
Depress my ass. Is there somebody here at the bakery?
Maybe I'll get the cheesecake. I think I'll get the cheesecake.
The cheesecake is more than the other one.
It's my birthday.
No, it's not anymore. Passed.
It ended yesterday.
Yes. Oh my god.
So cheap.
Hi. Somebody here?
I don't think this is meant. I don't think it's meant to be because they're taking too long. You should probably keep your money.
No, I want the cupcake.
Oh, sometimes I see these people. They have like the ball of chocolate, and then they put like hot chocolate over it and melt it, and it just breaks, and I see everything on the inside. It looks so good. Stop taping me.
You
So
can't be
am
my friend if you don't want to be on
Am I-
YouTube.
Am I getting the cheesecake?
Fine. If the people come.
I don't think it's meant to be. Ooh, this looks good, but I don't like apples, so I eat everything except for the apples.
Hi.
You like something?
Yes, we would.
For free now.
What's up?
Can we get one of the mini cheesecakes
Okay.
and the cookies and cream?
Okay.
But can we get it separate package?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Finally, somebody came and helped. Nice young man. No, that's okay. Take your time. We understand. We work in customer service too.
I went to wait there, one on the phone, Jesus. I'm the only one guy.
I know, right, Maxim?
I feel so bad.
No, that's okay. Don't worry.
Too much.
That's okay. Don't worry. No worries. We won't hold it against you.
Woman boss.
Oh God.
Oh, fun times for you.
Unbelievable. One is a cheesecake, so it's a
Yes.
butterfly, it's 11.61. And that one cookies gonna plug in here. And that's it.
Is it gonna make me fat?
Ah, please. You know, winter time, even me usually build, but winter time, you know,
Summer's
It takes.
coming.
I
your
know.
body has to be a lot.
Yes.
That's the one thing I learned.
That might be the one thing that make you put on
I
your
know,
goals
right?
like this.
Because you live once, you eat.
Exactly.
You
You
whatever
only
like
live
to do.
once.
Yeah, that's a cupcake, that's a cheesecake. Who is wood?
Which one's cheesecake?
Cheesecake, it's a dove.
This one?
And
Okay.
this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy,
Okay,
girls.
bye. No.
As soon as I get this in a bag, I'm eating. Why are they all so long? Where's all the express line?
The express line is the longest one. Nah, man, that's more than 8 items, bro. He already boxed it, or else I would have left it. You paying for it? Are you paying for that? No, are you paying for that? It already passed, as far as I'm concerned. Why is Bruce a woman? Yo, when I seen the picture of him with the lipstick, I was just like, yo, oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, they put like controversial things on the front and then
Oh
for
my
5
god.
hours. Watch, see, they put this kind of shit, but it's not even true sometimes, and then they want you to spend like.
And Mariah's nanny, like, I just want to know why Bruce is a girl.
It would make a lot of sense.
I can't.
Like it would.
No, the one with where he had on the lipstick,
I've
like
never
he
seen it.
really looked like a girl. I was like, oh
No,
my
when he
god.
has on the, like, you know, he looks like a woman with bad plastic surgery. 'Cause
Bro,
when was his hair
he
long
had
and
on
he
the
had glasses?
lipstick.
With the glasses, and he has his hair long down. He looks like a woman, like a you know those women with the botched plastic surgery.
Nah, he looked like, I forget which one's which.
Like, oh, what's mine? You have $20 worth of points today. $14.35.
Yo, leave the damn conveyor belt. This year I will earn more points, not less points. I don't want no points.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Together?
Yes. Just those.
$3.85.
Debit.
Go ahead.
$3.85. You better not be asking me for anything for your birthday next year, eh? Because $3.85 is a whole lot of money.
Like you're balling, you got money.
You know how much hours I have to do before I can make
Hey.
$3?
Hey.
About 5 hours, bro. How much clients I had to talk to for that? I didn't get shiznai.
Yeah.
Oh my god, ew, I hate my freckles. You guys know anywhere where I can remove my freckles? Because I hate them.
She's like.
Hi, can I get a wing combo? With wedges and the sweet chili. I was gonna say spicy chili. Tastes kind of spicy sometimes.
Yeah, she's like, oh. Too.
I should have bought a whole lot of chicken.
You always, you're a bad influence.
How? What the hell? You're the one that wanted to make. What do you ask? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Should I get it?
Ow. Yeah, you should. And you should pay for mine. Just saying.
Maybe I should get it too. It's okay.
So hurry up, man. You see the lineup is starting? Is that it?
Okay, I guess I think
Oh my god, you're so annoying.
So it makes no sense to go home and bake because I have cheesecake now.
You're so annoying. you. Chicken and things, girl. Which ones did you get?
Barbecue.
Ugh.
I don't know. I feel like the sweet chili thing would be too sweet for me.
It's not sweet at all. It's not sweet. They say sweet, but it's not sweet, okay? It's not. It's not like a honey garlic or something. It's just chili. It's hot.
It's never actually spicy.
Okay, it's not like, oh, you're spicy. Like, when you made the chicken the other day, I was like, what the hell is this girl trying to do? Kill people?
Oh, there's.
You're so stupid. Like, come on, man. You're bringing lunch for people. You don't cook like how you're cooking for yourself. You cook for other people. If I want to add pepper, I'll add pepper. The hell?
No, but I put extra pepper.
Well, duh.
So you're out of luck. Sorry.
Fucking Jamaican. $7.90. Don't you know the price already? You buy from here every day. Like, yes. I would never want to be your sister. Oh God. God. We're not even friends. We're just coworkers. I'd be in foster care.
No, I said I'd rather go to foster care than be your sister.
Well, amen to that. I know what to ask for in my next life. To be your sister. Send your ass to foster care. Good night. Send your ass to foster care. I swear to God, send your ass to foster care. I'm gonna remember that.
Looking at us like, oh my God, are they? You know, like those people that come here, right? It's just like, oh yeah, you know.
Like, oh my God, are they related? Like, are they related? Oh my God. I gotta buy my tokens. No. I like that jacket. $40? No. No, I'm not buying it for $40. Are you crazy?
You get it and then I get it for 50% off.
No thanks. Never ever will I ever. The fuck am I buying a piece of drape for $40?
Summer's coming.
What? No, I don't need any jackets in the summer.
What's it
Mr.
called?
Man, you take debit? Ooh.
They might as well just put me
Miss Chin, you take debit? Yeah? Okay. Okay, that's fine. I just
You
need
like
5
this on
tokens.
Instagram and you want $1,000, but I'm still scared to buy it. That's $10.
But those are the ones that you really get money.
I know, but I mean, like, that's $10.
You got $1,000, bro. I was like, yo,
Maybe
and
we
it's
should
new, so you know. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, Miss Chin. What? My name ain't no Miss Chin. That's not even friggin' Chinese. Oh, that black dress is cool. Oh, that's so nice. I need an outfit for my brother-in-law's party. Miss, how much is this? Huh? $189 or $1.89? For what? What? This is $189?
That is crazy.
For this? Like, what?
It's in Lawrence Square.
This girl trying to sell me a dress for $189. Like,
In Lawrence Square?
$1.89, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. What?
She's probably like, oh my God, these people
Like, she's like, $1.89?
like, how do you sell that shit? Like, it's not even like you're in Yorkdale.
Bro,
You're in Lawrence.
I ain't buying shit from Lawrence Square Mall for more than $13.75. That's how much my tokens cost, okay? Ain't nobody got time for that.
Why would, oh no, I forgot measuring stuff. Do you have measuring stuff at home? I don't think I can make it today.
Oh my God.
I'll try. I'll see if
You're
I...
so dumb. You could have just went to the dollar store.
That's what I meant. But I don't really want to walk back up in there.
I am not.
I wanna go home.
Sorry, I love you, but I am not.
I wanna
Ooh,
go
there's
home.
lighting and it's dark. Hey.
Yeah, you yellow bird.
Yellow, brown, sugar. And it was brilliant? Was it brilliant?
Brilliant yellow.
Oh God.
Fancy molasses.
Oh God.
Like, oh, okay. I'm gonna call my blonde. My blonde,
Oh, it's blonde. I knew it was something associated with white.
blonde brownies. I don't even know if I'm making the right thing because the way I tried it one time, I think it is, but I'm not too sure.
It's definitely
I
not.
seen, it didn't look like
Are we
it,
taking the
but
bus?
I guess so.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog here
I'll just ask.
till I get home.
Probably just
Fluffy, say bye.
bye.
Till next time. Oh God, I gotta get the bus. Bye.